Look at the funnel. Tornado coming down. I think it's on the ground. There's dust swirling near the ground. Yeah, that's gonna be a tornado any minute now. Look at it now. There you go. There we go. I know. Okay, guys, language. No, you're fine. Language. Turn it on. A little switch. I can't really help you right now. Go on. Come back. Don't worry. That's a nice funnel. I know. I think that did touch down. The windmills are my damn way. Alright. Look at that funnel now. Look at that.
Now.
I know. There'll be more. There'll be more.
Yeah, I think it does look pretty neat.
Got a tree down in the road. Tornado damage path.
Dude, look at all these power lines.
We got power poles down all the way down the road. Lots of power lines
Man, we
down.
missed it, dude.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's a...
Yeah, this came through. This certainly came through here.
Look at that one just bobbing and weaving.
Oh, it broke off and it's
Yeah, it
Yeah.
snapped it. Be careful up here. There may be power lines down. See, these people, there may be a power line down in the road here, so be careful. I wouldn't go too much further. These people are... That one snapped straight off.
It's amazing that these lines are not.
Okay, be careful up.
Dude.
Be careful
I
up
think I
here.
just...
Be careful up here. There may be a line down up here.
Everybody's going this way.
I would do this. Oh, it's just a tree.
How is this one still standing?
I don't know. Just a tree in the road here. God, we gotta be careful for like nails and shit in the road. No, I did it.
Wow, dude, look at that.
God, boy, it came right through here,
It did, didn't it?
I bet it was rain wrapped too. Or it was kind of skipping, it seems like.
That's what it looked like it was doing. Look at that.
It's messed up, whatever it was.
Rain all over.
Yeah. Wow.
More power lines down. Jeez. It snapped these power poles off. Oh, like twigs,
Like they were
man.
nothing.
Wow.
I know. We've been over like a mile.
And this is only the beginning.
Okay. Same storm. We did have a brief tornado on the ground a minute ago.
Hold on. So I was just making sure that it was coming that way.
Turn the hazards on, sure.
Okay, yeah. It went away, Chris.
Well,
It was on the ground briefly.
yeah.
It can still come back down though.
There was a lot of movement in that.
That was crazy. Are you still filming?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna move.
Okay. Pause. Dang. I don't know if this was a tornado or if this was
Him driving too fast on rain.
just wind damage or hydroplaning. I don't really know.
Wow.
But this is significant. Boy, he tore up that dirt.
The
Look at
second
that.
part's flipped over.
Yeah.